This is our Christmas photography workshop in association with the Societies. We welcomed people to our Santa lighting workshop. A maximum of 10 people sold out in less than a week to come down and take photographs of the real Santa. After a brief introduction from me and an introduction to the lights and what we would be using in session, it was time to hand over to the delegates for them to take their own photos in this safe space where anyone can ask any questions and I can be your guide to help you get the best from your camera and the best from your photography. So we started off with this very, very simple lighting setup before building up to this set that Fliss had built, showcasing how to build a storytelling narrative even with analog special effects in studio before having your photograph with Santa, a breakout room, a chance to network, a chance to mingle, and a chance to eat some mince pies. Thank you to everyone who came along. We look forward to welcoming more delegates to our seminars in the new year.